It's almost 5 p.m. on Friday, December 23rd, and I'm going to talk about the Christmas forecast and the chances of rain and snow Monday into Tuesday. This is the 500 millibar map that I usually show with the water vapor satellite imagery. A couple of things to notice. First thing is this upper level trough that is moving through the Great Lakes region. You can tell by the dip within the heights. And this system was moving pretty quickly through the Great Lakes region. This is what brought us our cloud cover earlier in the day. But now the sun's out because you see this yellow streak right here? This is subsidence. This is areas of sinking air. And when you have areas of sinking air, you usually get the sun comes out. And that's what happened today. This area moved into the region. We had a lot of sinking air, which brought out the sun, broke up the clouds. Another thing to recognize is this area of low pressure across Mexico, New Mexico, and far western Texas. This area brings lots of snow to the southern Rocky Mountains and parts of the plains of Texas, like Midland, Odessa. They're seeing snow right now. This storm system is going to move very little over the next couple days to the east-northeast, into West Texas and then Oklahoma. And then by Sunday night into Monday, another trough is going to dive across the northern plains and pick up the storm system, and it's going to accelerate to the east-northeast through southern Missouri. I'm going to show that here in a couple minutes, and this is a storm system that's going to bring us our next chance of precipitation on Monday. This upper left-hand map is just a current surface map of the temperatures around the St. Louis area. Temperatures did not warm up very much today. Temperatures were mostly in the 30s across the area with a few 40s to our southeast. Right now the temperature is 37 in Chesterfield, 36 in Belleville, and that's going to drop through the evening. And this bottom left-hand map is just showing the current winds, model indicated winds, with winds mostly out of the west to west-southwest through the area, light as well. So, but these winds will turn more to the south tomorrow, especially on Sunday, as this storm system slowly moves out into the high plains of Texas. This is a forecast map brought to you by the NAM model, the North American model, for tomorrow at noon. Winds are slowly turning out to the west-southwest now, which is going to draw in warmer air from the south. And this is going to help warm temperatures up into the 40s tomorrow. Probably see a high around 44, 45 degrees. Sunny skies. It's going to be a really, really nice day tomorrow. This is for Sunday. Temperatures are going to be, winds are going to be out of the west, bringing in warmer air again. Mid to upper 40s. We could even touch 50 degrees on Sunday for Christmas. A couple of things to notice as well. One, we have a cold front that's diving south out of Canada in response to the low pressure that's going to be moving out into the Great Plains and Oklahoma by this time. Actually, that's really just the main thing to look at. There's another little surface trough right through here as well. This is the 500 millibar forecast for Monday night around 9 p.m. Actually, no, let's back it up here. I'll show you. This is at noon on Monday, and you can see the low pressure is located around Oklahoma City area, just southeast of Oklahoma City. 9 hours later, this storm is located along the Mississippi River, so it's moving quite quickly on Monday. And this is going to be big for how much precipitation we receive on Monday. Due to the faster nature of the storm, it's a small storm, it's a very compact storm, and it's a very intense storm as well. But due to the fast nature of the storm, precipitation is going to be moving quickly as well. So it's not going to be a prolonged period of rain and snow. It's just going to be quick, it's going to be coming burst. It could be quite heavy at sometimes. And this could, and depending on how much snow, depending on how long it snows, we could see a couple inches of snow out of this. This is the forecast rainfall. As you can see, there's about a half to 3/4 of an inch of rain, or an inch of precipitation is going to fall, and depending on how much this is snow, we could receive some pretty decent accumulations. Still early, still 72 hours out almost, 84 hours actually. But as I said, this is a very fast storm system. It's a very potent storm system, a small, compact storm system, and it's moving a path that's favorable for precipitation as snow. It's moving to the south of St. Louis. And if this storm system, all the models are showing this, by the way, if this does continue to move all along this path, we could see some quick burst of snow on Monday night. I'll keep you guys updated, of course, about this. But this is our first. This could be our first chance of snow if this path continues. And this is a map of the NAM, the North American model, showing how much snow is predicting for St. Louis. It's predicting these colors from the pink, the light blue, to yellows. It's the beginning of the scale, so it's predicting about 2 to 3 to 4 inches of snow for the St. Louis area. It's still early. This could go up. If more cold air filters in, these totals will definitely go up. But if it does move a little north or not much cold air filter in, it could be more of a rain event. We're actually right on the edge of precipitation, as usual for St. Louis. We're be right on the edge of the temperature line. Some areas might not receive very little rain, so some areas to the north might receive a lot of snow. St. Louis has a knack of being right on the temperature edge for snowfall, and that's going to be the case with this storm. But the potential is there for some accumulating snowfall on Monday and the Monday night. It'll be out by Tuesday. So I'll keep an eye on it. I'll post a video tomorrow, and Chris probably on Chris's as well, updating the situation. Have a good day.